Hi everyone, I'm Nooran Muhammad in grade 8 in Al School. Today I will show you an experiment, and this is a science experiment. This experiment will be on the oxygen element from the lesson periodic table. In this experiment I will show you what will happen if the oxygen finished and there's only water. Now continue the video to see how we'll make this experiment. To make this experiment, we will need for a plate, and that have to be like 1 centimeter deep so we can add water in it. We will need also for empty glass and water that have color so you can see the result very clearly. We will need for a candle that is circle shape so we can add it in the plate. We will need also for fire source or matches. It will not be different. Now we can start our experiment. To start this experiment, we will need for a plate that is 1 centimeter deep so we can add water. Now I will add the color water so as I tell you, you can see the result very clearly. Now I will fire the candle and I will replace it in the middle of the plate. And here after I replace the candle, now I will replace on it the empty glass, then we can see what will happen. And here the first step happened in this experiment, that the candle gets off and the water get decreasing level inside the cup. Now I will tell you the explanation and how the water get decreasing in level and why the candle get off. Now I will tell you the explanation for this experiment. Actually, at the first you see that the candle get off, then we see an increasing in the water level. That's why, because the oxygen ends from the cup, and while the oxygen is decreasing in the level, nothing to replace it except the water. So the water will start to get increasing in the level and it will replace the oxygen empty place. Actually, this is another explanation for this experiment, and it is from the lesson chemical reaction. Also, this experiment is a combustion reaction. Why? Because the combustion causes the pressure difference between the air inside the cup and the water outside the cup, forcing the water in. And this was my science experiment for today, and it was from the lesson periodic table about the oxygen element and the combustion reaction from the lesson chemical reaction. Bye, see you in the next experiment.